Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant slow download. It's quite easy and straightforward tip. So if you try to restart your internet, restart your PC, or even to install a Riot client and nothing for you is working, in this video I will show you a simple trick that may help you, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open Task Manager, and then you need to go to Details. And once on the details, you need to find Riot Client Services here. And once you find it, then click with the mouse, and then you need to press Set Priority and set to high, not to normal. So set to high. And then, as you can see here, it's on high. And then try to restart your PC or Riot Client and look if the game is to downloading faster, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and tell me in the comment section below if you try this method and if it worked for you or not, right? So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.